love you tonight and tomorrow. This one is this video right here is getting some nice views. What's bad about the Philippines? 49 views in the same day. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not nothing like out of this world, but you know, I only had a couple of blogs that get like that the views go like this like in a day or two. My wedding blog, that one got like 400 something within a couple days. A 7-Eleven blog I did, that one got some decent. And the 7-Eleven blog, it was actually pretty cool. Going to 7-Eleven in Asia, especially like in Korea or Korea, I've seen it in Korean dramas and stuff, but it's pretty interesting because they have different things that you don't see in America. So yeah, let me see if I can. Yeah, that was a pretty cool blog. Now I'm dreaming. That was a cool blog to do. I really enjoyed it. I'm just gonna turn the light off. They left the lights on from the castle, so yeah, the video about the cons, well, the bad stuff about the Philippines. I was talking about in that blog. I'm talking about basically. Well, it's not like that. It's not like that everywhere, but in the province, you know, there's less. It's less convenient when you live in the province. So when you're living in the province, uh, for example, where I live, also there's a well, there's roads, right? But some places don't have roads. It's just dirt road. That's one of the things, and it is a problem. I'm gonna tell you why, because like around these areas it rains a lot, so you know, and roads a bunch of these roads are basically like in mountains. So if it rains, you get a bunch of, you know, is it landslides or sand slides? You know, whenever it's a mountain and then the dirt just falls to the, you know. So that happens here a lot, and it sucks because if it rains, you know, let's say we need to go to the market, you know, sometimes we can't. We're stuck here. We can't go. So because there's a lot of mud and it's really like slippery. You can't get anywhere. So it's not even worth it. But that's just one of the things that happens. Just one of the things that happens, guys. But it depends, you know. Some people like it, some people don't. But A lot of places in the Philippines is like that.